Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhana binti ABD.RAHMAN, matrix number 291508. Today we will present about the foreign exchange market, forwarding trading issue and challenge. I will explain about the introduction and objective. What is the foreign exchange? Foreign exchange or forex is the conversion of one country's currency into another. A country's currency value may also be set by the country's government. The value of any particular currency is determined by market forces based on trade, investment, tourism, and geopolitical risks. Foreign exchange is handled globally between banks, and all transactions fall under the auspice of the bank or international settlement (BIS). The foreign exchange market, also known as forex, FX, or the currencies market, it is an over-the-counter marketplace that determines the exchange for global currencies. Participants in these markets can buy, sell, exchange, and speculate on the relative exchange rate of various currency pairs. Foreign exchange markets are made up of banks, forex dealers, commercial companies, central banks, investment management firms, hedge funds, retail forex dealers, and investors. Next, there are three main types of foreign exchange market, which are the spot forex market, the forward forex market, and the futures forex market. What is the spot forex market? The spot forex market is the immediate exchange of currencies at the current exchange. This makes up a large portion of the total forex market and involves buyers and sellers from across the entire spectrum of the financial sector, as well as those individuals exchanging currencies. The forward market involves an agreement between the buyer and seller to exchange currencies at an agreed open price at a set date in the future. Last, the future market is similar to the forward market in that there is an agreed price at an agreed date. The primary difference is that the future market is regulated and happens on an exchange. The objective of the forward market provides a complete hedge and attempts to eliminate various risks so that parties can protect their commitments. The products the forward market are usually traded over the counter. The main objective of foreign exchange market is to buy and sell currencies. Even though there are many other uses for the forex market, its main purpose is still to make money by trading one currency for another. Forex traders can do this by buying a currency at a low price and then selling it at a high price. Interbank forex market refers to formal organized structures put in place by monetary authority such as the central bank conducting trading, transaction, and deals in foreign currencies. This market is referred to as either an interbank foreign exchange market or official foreign exchange market. The central bank controls, monitors, and supervises the market's conduct of trading, transaction, and deals in most countries. However, the central bank indirectly influences the exchange rate. It does this by fixing the amount of the forex it will supply to the market and for which the authorized dealers bid. In most cases, rate movements follow speculation on the quantity of the forex that the central bank would likely want to offer for sale in the market. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Next, what is research methodology? So, Ustaz Kenali defines research methodology as a process for planning, gathering and analyzing data in order to generate evidence that can support a study. In example, summarize the subject of the investigation. A problem study, process, and the rationale behind particular methodologies and strategies are described in methodology. By providing a description of the research procedure, the methodology seeks to aid in a more thorough understanding of the use of the approach. This study aims to investigate forward trading idea and operation of how it relates to exchange rates and interest rates in the foreign exchange market. A multifaceted research process that uses both academic books and online resources will be used to accomplish this purpose. Our team used online research methodologies to gather information. ORMs are methods for online data collection by researchers. They are additionally known as web-based methodologies, internet science or iScience. Why we use ORMs? We use them because of their accessibility. We have immediate access to a great amount of knowledge from many sources thanks to online research. From the convenience of our homes or educational institutions, we had access to a wide range of themes, scholarly articles, books, research papers, and other pertinent materials. Comparing this accessibility to typical library trips, times and efforts are saved. Aside from that, doing research online enables us to work on projects at our own pace. We can do information searches anytime we want and from any location, which makes it simpler to integrate research into our hectic academic schedules. Students who are juggling several obligations or who might not have easy access to physical libraries or resources would particularly benefit from this flexibility. And next, access to a wide variety of information from around the world is made possible by the internet. The depth and scope of our studies are increased by the materials and viewpoints we may find from various cultures, fields, and points of view. Online sources can also be more recent than printed materials, giving us access to the most recent research discoveries and advancements in their field of study.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURLIYANA binti RAHIM, my matric number 28598. I will explain in finding section. The foreign exchange market, sometimes known as the forex market, is a market where currencies are traded for other currencies. The forex market is the world's largest financial market with trillions of dollars moved every day. It is the most liquid of the financial world marketplace. Table 1 illustrates the annual average exchange rates between the Malaysia ringgit and a number of currencies, including the UK pound, the euro, and the Australian dollar from 2019 to 2021. Next, figure 1 represents the average foreign currency rate for the nation listed in Table 1 instead of the Malaysia ringgit. Over the 2019-2021 time frame, the Malaysia ringgit was appreciated against the UK pound, the euro, and the Australian dollar, which are up to 7.2%, 5.3%, 7.5% respectively. As a result, the Malaysia ringgit appreciated the most against the Australian dollar because of rising more than the UK pound and the euro. This indicates that average foreign currency rate for the nation listed. The Australian dollar has suffered the greatest fall in the value of its national currency, followed by the British pound and the euro. On the other hand, businesses may apply the data foreign exchange rate information to make informed judgment about forward trading. Forward trading is a sort of transaction in which corporations and individuals can buy or sell currencies at a predetermined price on a future date. Forward trading has three possibilities. First, the value will be unchanged. Second, it will be bigger than the contract price. Third, it will drop more than the contract price. If the price at the time has risen above the contract price, the seller will owe the buyer the difference between the current spot price and the contracted forward rate. While if the spot price has fallen below the contract price, the buyer will owe the seller the difference between the contracted rate and the current spot price. Lastly, forward trading also presents challenge and issue. One of the main challenges of forward trading is the risk of counterparty default. It refers to the possibility that the other party to the forward contract may fail to meet their contractual obligation. If the counterparty default or is unable to meet their agreements, the other party may incur financial damage. Another issue with the forward trading is a lack of liquidity. Forward contracts are frequently less liquid than other financial products like equities or currencies. It can be difficult to find a buyer or seller for a specific forward contract, especially for less widely traded assets, which can limit trading possibilities and potentially affect pricing. That's all from me. Thank you.
In the conclusion, we have learned about the foreign exchange market, forward trading issue and challenges, including the risk associated with exchange rate fluctuation, the difficulty in predicting future exchange rates, and the risk of counterparty default. In the foreign exchange market and forward trading involves the buying and selling of currency at the future date at the predetermined exchange rate and also known as a forex market. The exchange rate is influenced by a variety of factors including economic and political events, interest rate and market sentiment. The challenges of forward trading in the unpredictable of exchange rates, which can make it difficult for businesses and individuals to make informed decisions about buying or selling currency. Another challenge is the risk of counterparty default, which can result in financial losses for both parties. Additionally, it is important to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in the foreign exchange market to develop a solid understanding of the risks and challenges associated with forward trading. By taking this step, businesses and individuals can make informed decisions about the foreign exchange market and forward trading, may minimize their risk and maximize their chance of success. The difficulty during completion of this assignment were challenging due to the limited access of resources that make it difficult to find the information needed to complete this assignment. Then, it is hard to understand the topic and make it challenging to know where to start because of the need to do extensive research on the topic in order to produce high quality work. Additionally, we also struggle to understand complex concepts to apply the information in this assignment. However, we already overcome this difficulty by collaborating and communicating with teammates to produce high quality work. We also manage our time effectively to ensure that we complete this assignment well before the deadline. Then, seeking assistance from the lecturer and team classmates also give us a better understanding about the foreign exchange market, forward trading issue and challenges.